Okay, we're going to check the Jiffy stand, lube it. I like to call it a side stand. Harley calls it a Jiffy stand. But either way, the more time you get on your bike, the more you pressure wash it, the more you ride in the rain, the more this thing's going to need to get a little bit of lube. So get yourself some sprayable grease. Get down there, kind of give it a shot. And really, what you're doing, you want that thing to operate freely. And what you're looking for is you want that thing to spring back. Now what happens is people, for some reason, they trailer their motorcycles sometimes, and what they do is they damage this return spring. They'll bottom out, or if you happen to go over a curb or whatever, and then the spring gets all boogered up. Now your side stand's kind of dangerously dangling down a little too far. You hit a bump, side stand comes down, you don't know it. We're talking big crash here with the side stand down. The first time you start leaning left, that's not good. So it's pretty important actually. So if that side stand spring's feeling clapped out or boogered up, or your tab's bent on your Jiffy stand, deal with it. Put a new one on, fix it, because it really is pretty important. Okay, let's move on down the list.